Hello everyone, thank you for watching. I appreciate your time. Here we are with my 350Z Superchargers. So we have a 03 to early 06, and then we have an 05 to late 06, I believe. Non-rev up and rev up superchargers, Vortech. So the problem I'm running in now is, so I want to replace this one, the one that came on the car and everything, the non-rev up, the one that belongs there, and I want to put the rev up one that is for a later model. Now, they're different in a few ways. They're different with the gear size is different, the design is different. This takes a feed and return line for oil. The non-rev up, the rev up doesn't. It has this internal oil, so you fill it through here, the line, and you cap it off, and it has its own oil. You do not need to run a tapped in oil pressure switch or something like that, and then feed it to the downpipe. Have like a downpipe to the oil pan. It doesn't need it. This does. Also, fitment is still the same kind of, but when it comes to the mounting plate is also different, as you can see. We have a pulley here, so we have a hole there. We have no hole there where this pulley would be. So, and then we have the separation in these two pulleys compared to the older style. So, a few things a few issues I'm running into, but the main thing for even doing all this is because mine went bad, and you'll hear now why it's bad. Just listen. You hear that? Okay, let's do the new one. Old, very loud. New, soft, quiet. So we know it still made boost, which is great. But just a loud, nasty noise, and eventually it would have tore itself up. So before we let it tore itself up, it went bad totally. We shut it down, take it apart, and we're gonna rebuild this one. We're still gonna try to get this one in, just because, but we're gonna show you guys how to rebuild a non-rev up 350Z Supercharger, 03 to 05. That's what this is, and that's what we're gonna rebuild. All right, so I'll get everything set up and ready for the next video. I hope you guys tune in, and you'll see how to rebuild a Vortech Supercharger. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate your time. See you in the next video.